So you guys, if you gotta ignore his purple foot, he kind of stepped in some hair dye a couple weeks ago. Um, so if you guys have a cat, you probably like to pick on it sometimes. You know, like this. It's fun to pick on your kitty. It's a good old time to pick on your kitty. But let me show you the best way to pick on your kitty. So it's got to have something to do with this thing right here, thing attached to its butt. Now, if we can get it to just stand up really quick. No, that's not gonna work. Okay. Can you stand up for me? Stand up for me. You wanna stand up for me? Get up. Get up. Get up. Okay, I think he's picking on me now. Come on. Get up. Get up. Okay. Yeah, you gotta grab the tail. Ah! 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 That was a little slow, buddy. That was a little slow. Alright, now you just gotta kind of loosely, index finger, thumb, loosely around the tail. Don't completely grab it. Make sure there's space between it, and then you just kind of pull up. If he's standing up, it works so much better. You hear that? Caught the tail snap. Some cats hate it. This guy doesn't really mind it, but yeah, there we go. There we go. There we go. See, if you're pulling it super hard, the tail it smacks against your hand and makes a sound. Doesn't hurt him. I mean, he doesn't seem to mind too much. Does that hurt? No. Does that hurt? No. I'm just gonna lick your butthole right in front of me, okay?